So unfortunately, an expungement does not affect your record at the Department of Motor Vehicles or the DMV. If you had a conviction in Marin County or any other county in the San Francisco Bay Area, and after the conviction, we expunged your record, which is typically done, once probation's over, when you've complied with probation 3 years after your conviction, in most cases. The DMV record is not affected because that's separate. What happens is the expungement gets granted by the court, the case is dismissed, something sent to the Department of Justice, which shows that the conviction has now been dismissed. But for DMV, it stays on your record. It's supposed to stay on there for 10 years. I've seen it stay on longer. If it does, you can always request DMV to remove it. But for purposes of DMV, and a lot of people, want it off of there because of insurance or job or whatever purposes, people checking their DMV records, and they'll see the suspension from the conviction that happened 3, 4, 5 years ago, and they want it to be gone. But an expungement will not make it go away. Nothing affects the DMV. There's no way to make that go away, unfortunately. So if a potential employer is going to dig deep enough and it's a driving job you're applying for, a lot of times their insurance won't want people who have had a DUI within the last 3, 4, 5 years because it costs more, and employers don't want to pay any more than they have to for auto insurance for their employees and for their business.